What? What? It's a windy day, Molly. What? 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 Is the doggy funny? Is he funny? Is the doggy funny? Is he funny? Is the doggy funny?
Tangible connection that she had with her mother. But it's almost like another death. Right. And I think it was. But it was also a new beginning. At that time, Rebecca began living a life that wasn't shattered by a looming reminder of her mother's unmet hopes. Rebecca had become a physician, and she married a doctor named Alan Moore, whom she'd met in residency. It was a very happy marriage, and it ended tragically a mere 18 months after it started, when the couple was hit by an SUV while riding a Vespa. Rebecca was severely injured, and Alan was killed.
Like I'm trying to sleep.
For the second time in her life, Rebecca was forced to cope with a devastating loss. But this time was different. She spent her months of physical rehab contemplating and writing about her memories of Alan.
I remember thinking to myself, this is how it should be when you grieve for someone.
He's a good boy.
You should remember